Hey y'all, I'm gonna be unboxing, unbagging my glam bag for August. The bag is tea. Okay, the bag is super cute. I would use this as a wallet. Not even gonna lie. I would use this as a wallet. It is so freaking pretty. It has that kind of leather feel to it, so it's like a nice quality. And then not only that, this little dangly part, the zipper is so nice. Let's check to see if the zipper is zipping, okay? Not no flimsy Let's see. That's a good zipper. Okay, that zipper is solid. This is cute. Okay, that's why I didn't skip, because the bag was cute. Now the September bag, I don't know what it's supposed to look like, but if it's ugly, I'm skipping. Okay, I'm not gonna be wasting my money for a bag I don't like, especially since like lately, look, the product just isn't that good. The last bag I had was decent, okay? I actually really love that lip liner. I've been using that lip liner like crazy. I feel like the quality of the products has just gone too much skincare, not enough makeup. They even took away the option to choose like, give me makeup, give me skincare, surprise me. They took that option away completely because they were like, people aren't choosing skincare. All right, the first thing that I'm pulling out is by Beauty Vault. And this is an eyeliner, a liquid eyeliner. Now, I'm actually really glad to get this because as you guys know, rest in peace to my Pat McGrath. My Pat McGrath liner is gone, honey. And that Defiance Beauty, I think it was Defiance Beauty. I think that liner is gone too. So I'm in the market for a better liner. So hopefully this one will be good, okay? Looks simple enough. This is what the tip is looking like. Bruh, I don't even have my light on. Let me turn my light on. Let's be so for real. Okay, that's better. That's better, much better. But yeah, so this is the little liner that they gave me. Very excited for that. So this is a good product, okay? We're off to a good start, Ipsy. Keep it up. All right, going into my bag. Now, this is what I chose because all the options were boo-boo garbage, okay? The options were terrible this time, and that alone was like making me want to skip the bag, but I saw the bag and I was like, let me just get the bag. So I ended up going with these little makeup brushes, eyeshadow brushes, I guess these are for eyeshadow. I went with these because you can never have too many of these, and I hate cleaning my brushes. It's such a task. You know what I mean? Like, it's such a chore to clean brushes. So if I just have a bunch of them, then I can wait longer. Okay, I can wait longer to clean all my brushes. So I went ahead and got these. She's cute, okay? She's super, super cute. I like those. This is a cute little detail. I think this is like the second and third brush I've gotten from her. They're super cute. We'll definitely use them. So again, we're doing good. Okay, Ipsy, we're doing good. Ever since I threatened Ipsy, they've been showing out. It's almost like they heard and were like, we can't lose the customer. Let's stop putting the eye cream in her bags. She don't have bags under her eyes. Let's stop putting the eye cream in her bags and give her things she'll actually use. Now, the next thing is by Dr. Brandt, and this is the Advanced Microdermabrasion face, can't talk. Microdermabrasion face exfoliator, and this is what she looks like, and it's just like a face scrub, okay? A little face scrub, nothing too crazy. If you guys hear like tapping in the background, that's my daughter. She's playing with her toys, and you know, she's at that toddler age where they just want to repetitively do things, so that's what that is. The next thing I have is from Half Caked, and this is a mascara. I've been trying to go through my mascaras and like actually use them. Ooh, it's the type of bristles I like. Okay, I like this. This will be good. Smells like mascara. I'm excited to have another mascara I can use because I'm trying to like use my mascara for like a month and then toss it. Okay, that's what I've been on because I have so many mascaras, it's ridiculous. And I don't want to put like really crusty old mascara on my eyes because that's how you get like infections, right? You get infections in your follicles of your eyelashes. So I'm using it for a little bit and then I'm gonna toss it because I have so many. I should be straight. Let's be so for real. The final thing I have in my bag, okay, she's empty. She's empty. This is actually really cute packaging. It almost reminds me of the Pat McGrath boxes and stuff like that. It almost reminds me of that. This is from Rachel Couture and this is in the color Nude, and it is a lipstick. Oh, is this full size? Is this full size? I thought it was like, maybe it's not. No, this is definitely full size. So we got a full-size lippy here, and this is a cute little color. Okay, I feel like I have this color in a bunch of different brands, but you know, she still works. Okay, if it fits, it ships. This is pretty. So we'll definitely try this out. I have so many lippies that I need to get through. This was a good box. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, Ipsy did their thing. Pretty much all of these things I'll use. The only thing that it might take me a while to get to is the Dame Blasted Microdermabrasion the exfoliator, because I don't really exfoliate my skin that often. You don't want to destroy your skin barriers. I don't do physical exfoliants that often, but you know, if I'm traveling and things like that, I'll probably, you know, I'll probably use it eventually. Hopefully the bag for September is popping, because I mean, that's my birthday month. Like, you better be popping the month of my birthday, duh. So hopefully it'll be a hit. We'll see. If it's not, I will skip. Okay, if the bag is ugly, your girl's gonna skip. Let's be so for real here. But y'all, let me know what you think about what I got in my bag. And if you are an Ipsy girly, what did you get? Okay, did you like your bag? Are you thinking about skipping? Are you thinking about canceling? I'm good. No notes. Okay, Ipsy has no notes for this time around. But I'm still keeping my eye on you, Ipsy. Okay, girl, you're not out of hot water. Okay, you're one bag away from getting canceled. Let's be so for real, y'all. Thank you so much, and I will see y'all with the next one. Deuces.